Welcome back everyone, this is Wylock 6th grade for lesson 20, and hope you guys had a great winter break, great Christmas, great New Year's and everything. Hope everything is going well and to get started for today's lesson. Alright, so today we're going to go over evaluating expressions, some questions about equations, and some word problems. Alright, it should be pretty easy. Okay, so evaluate the expression. So when you're dealing with exponents, an exponent pretty much just means I'm just putting x as a variable. It pretty much just means you multiply the same number by however many times that they tell you to. So if it's 2 to the third power, that's how you say it, to the third power, to the second power, or squared. It would pretty much mean 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the third power is this. You multiply 2 3 times, literally 2 3 times, and 3 to the 3 squared is pretty much 3 times 3. Here, the question is pretty much this. So you just want to multiply it out. So 3 times 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so 8 plus 3 times 3 is 9, 9. This is 17. So 17. And again, same thing here. Shouldn't be a problem. 0 0.1 times 0 0.1 times 0 0.1. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have a calculator on hand, and I don't really feel like doing it. But let's just say like a fraction problem like this one. 6 times 2 over 3. 6 times 2 over 3. Now you have to remember when you have just a whole number, 6 is pretty much just 6 over 1. Okay, so you don't have to get confused. So 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 12 over 3 is 4. So 4 is your answer. Remember, fractions are pretty much divisions, always remember that. And when you're to the power of 0, 0 power, the answer will just always be 0. Literally. Yeah. Okay. Just move on here. Or, wait, bad, sorry, not 0. 1. Answer will always be 1. No matter what number it is, if you make it to the power of, it will always be 1. Alright, let's continue here. Which of the following equations in a different variable? So here it tells you right here. An equation in mathematics is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. So equations must have an equal sign and mathematical expressions on each side. So equations are pretty much, it's in the name, equation, equal, right? Equal sign. It has to have an equal sign. It has to have a product and a, I almost said reactant, that's chemistry, my bad. Forgot the name, but it's like it has to have the left side and the right side of the equation. It has to have a product and a dividend or multiplicand or yeah, just you have to have something to add or multiply or divide or whatever, and then it has to equal something. Equal something. That's what makes it an equation. So in this case, which of the following equation is an equation in one variable? So it's asking for one variable, right? So 1x. All these stuff on 1x. So it's just asking for an equation, pretty much, right? So we could already cancel a out. No equal sign. 2 has an equal sign. So b. C has an equal sign. C. No equal sign. E. And no equal sign. So your answer should be B, C, E. And the reasoning should be the expressions have, oh shoot, my bad. Okay. Expressions have an equal sign. There's a more complex definition to it later, but you don't have to worry about it for now. Again here, what's the following is not an equation, so it's the opposite of right here. It would be this one, not this one, not this one, this one, not this one. So G and j because they don't have an equal sign, right? So just keep going, answer the question. Just think logically. You don't have to overcomplicate these questions too much. They shouldn't be too hard once you just think about it for a little bit and just realize what the question is asking for. Like here, number 3, which of the following values of x satisfies the equation 2x minus 4 equals 4? It's pretty much just asking you which of these uh, numbers can fulfill this equation to be true. So whatever this is has to make it so that this equation becomes true. So 2 whatever minus 4 equals has to equal 4. That's what it's asking for. So might as well I'll just do it real quick. 2x minus 4 equals 4. So it can't be 0, right? Because 2 times 0 is going to be 0. Negative 4 does not equal 4. So that's not true. This is not true. 4. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 4 does equal 4. So it can't be this. 2 times 2 minus 4 does not equal 4. 0 does not equal 4. It can't be n. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 4 minus 4, which is negative 8. So negative 8 does not equal 4. So this can't be either. So the answer has to be the second one right here. And that's pretty much how these are going to go. I don't have time to do all of them, but you guys probably do it. I believe in you guys. And lastly, I'll just do a word problem right now because I'm running out of time. Um, so what value of x makes the expression 2x plus 6 equal to 12? Same thing as what we just did right now, actually. It's asking for what number would make this equation true. So think about it. What times 2, or sorry, think of it this way. What plus 6 will equal 12? 6, right? So you have to make 6 from this 2 times x. So what is this pretty much? What number does this have to be to make this equation true? What does 2 times have to be to become 6? Has to be 3, right? So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So that makes the equation true. And that's pretty much how you just do these questions. It's not too hard, don't overthink it. It's very, very simple once you just think about it. You just think about what would make this equation true. And that would pretty much just mean what would make these two things or whatever, how many things they give you true. So yeah, it's pretty much it for this week's Swilog. Hope you guys had a great break. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys next week for lesson 21, I believe. Alright, so good luck and bye-bye.